I did something I have never done before. I made 200 bottles of Zobo all by myself in one night. Hi, I'm Faith Adelakun, a chef, a mom, a wife, and a lover of Jesus Christ. In this video, I'm going to show you how I did it, everything I did to get it right on the first try. Like, there were no mistakes. Zobo was perfect. There was no challenge of, oh, I didn't make enough or anything of that sort. So yeah, let's get right into this and learn with me. So when I got the order, everything on my mind was, I know this is very possible. Plus, I'm good with my math calculations when it comes to cooking and all that stuff. But I don't want to be too far from accuracy, right? Like, I don't want to just waste too much. I mean, even if I do it Zobo, right? I'll drink it, we'll all enjoy it in our house and we sell it or whatever. But just because I'm a professional, I wanted to give myself that, the accolades when I'm done. Is it accolades or accolades? Anyways, accolades when I'm done. So, first thing I had to do was my calculations, right? So I knew, like, I've done little quantity before, and I knew that from like maybe 2 cups of Zobo, I can get like 10 good bottles, right? So I decided, if that's the calculations, I still have to leave like an extra, space for, oh, maybe some poured away or whatever like that. So I figured 1 Congo should give me about 50 bottles of Zobo, roughly, right? So I just did calculations of the ingredients I would use if I were to do 1 Congo. So yeah, here's that list on the screen right now. I simply multiplied all this by 4, right? And then I just left a little extra, just a little extra. Now, to really begin, I washed my pot, placed it on the heat to like steam it up, dry it out, and kill all the bacteria or whatever that might be in there. Poured in my water. Then I went ahead to clean the Zobo, so I sieved it, removed all the sand, dirt, like just shook the sieve as I'm doing here, and then poured it into the water. Now, I actually tried rinsing out the Zobo leaves first, but like it was wasting way too much of my color, and there wasn't that much sand in it since I already sifted it out from the dry form, right? So I just boiled it. So now I want to make my syrup. So this is just some water and my sugar goes in. So basically I don't want to pour the sugar in like in this form. So I'm just going to melt it so that it mixes evenly. This is just like 3 cups of sugar. And yeah, I'll just cook that till all the sugar melts. And that will be part of the sweetener for my Zobo. I went ahead to grind my ginger into a paste and then checked on my syrup. So I left some of the Zobo stuff in there just so the color is not all plain white. And as soon as the sugar melts into the water, you turn it off, let it cool down so you can add it as sweetener into the Zobo when you're ready to sweeten it up. So this is 18 liters, 18.9 basically. So one bottle of this water should give me approximately 70 something bottles of the juice, right? So I'm going to use 3 bottles of this to get my 200. Remember that there's already water in the pot over there. So yeah, so this water here serves as 1 bottle, so I'm just going to add 2 more bottles of water to complete it. Hopefully my calculation is correct. So this is my beetroot. I just peeled it, cut it up to smaller cubes, and then blended it. I'll now strain it. I'll just pass it through a sieve to get out all the chaff. So I'll do that with the pineapple as well. Cut it up, peel it, cut it up, and then blend it and squeeze my juice out of it. I have my pineapple juice. The chaff, I'll still kind of use water to take out some of the juice. Some more pineapple juice, the beetroot juice, and the sweetener. So I'll basically just I'll sieve the Zobo with my bag, or sieve. I'll just take out the leaf basically and then mix it all together in this big bath. in this big bowl. I'll use this to strain the leaf. Strain the leaf, the hibiscus leaf into this bowl. So that's basically what I want to do right now, so that it's easy for me to squeeze. So I've removed as much of the leaf as I possibly can, so my job is easier. So I'll basically just rinse this out and then like repeat the process. So I've done the first round of the Zobo squeezing here. I will now pour in the fresh juice and the beetroot and everything else and the sweetener. Pineapple juice, beetroot. I underestimated how long it would take to fill the bottles and seal them. Let me just say it took a while, and I forgot to buy a funnel. So you can imagine the struggle coupled with my lack of sleep. I'd recommend you get a good glove to wear when sealing the bottles. My fingers went through a lot. Also, make sure you get a funnel. Once I was done, I froze them for 48 hours. Each bottle was completely frozen, so they stayed cold in my drum for the 8 hours we were at the event. I didn't even need to buy ice. So yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and please share this video to as many people as you think will be interested in this content. I'll see you in the next one.